Increases in fuel prices always feel like an alarm that wakes up the entire daily economy. In May 2025, several fuel pricing policies drove up transportation and distribution costs, which directly and indirectly affect the consumer prices index. Fuel price increases accelerate inflationary pressures and erode household purchasing power, especially among low and middle income groups. I will explain. 1. The transmission of fuel prices to inflation and household consumption. 2. The impact on expenditure structure and purchasing power inequality. And 3. Policy implication for maintaining economic stability and social protection. Fuel prices are quickly transmitted to general inflation. The fuel price increase implemented in early July 2025 has been recorded as the main trigger for increased price pressures in several surveys and economic analysis. Fuel is a key input for passenger and freight transportation. Higher fuel costs increase transportation and merchant income costs, which are then passed on to the final prices of goods and services. The direct effect appears in the transportation and fuel component and public services, driving core inflation and general inflation in the short term. As this transmission affects household spending patterns, we need to look at who is most affected. Household purchasing power declines and consumption patterns change. Rising energy prices reduce real income, service and inflation projection place annual figures close to or slightly above the median target, indicating pressure on people's purchasing power. Low-income households spend a larger portion of their income on basic necessities and transportation. So, fuel price increases prompt cut in non-essential spending and reduce consumption of durable goods. Middle-income households also delay major purchases and adjust budgets for education or healthcare. This decline in consumption slows domestic demand and has the potential to hold back economic growth. The social and macro impact demand an appropriate policy response to mitigate the burden and maintain stability. Policy implication: balancing macro stability and social protection. The central bank and related agency monitor inflation to keep it within the target range. Quarterly analysis saw the need for a combination of monetary, fiscal, and targeted subsidy to mitigate the effect on vulnerable communities. Monetary policy faces trade-off. Raising interest rates to curb inflation could suppress investment and growth, while general fuel subsidies are fiscal costly and inefficient. Alternatively, targeted subsidies or temporary cost compensation for vulnerable groups, supply chain control policies, and improve public transportation efficiency could reduce the direct burden on households without causing long-term fiscal pressure. Fiscal and social policy coordination is key to protect purchasing power while maintaining market confidence. Fuel price increases put pressure on inflation through distribution and transportation costs, reduce real income, and change consumption patterns, especially for vulnerable groups. Implement a coordinated policy package, targeted subsidies or temporary cash assistance for poor households, logistic and public transportation efficiency measures, and clear policy communication to avoid widespread inflation expectation. Managing the impact of fuel price increases is not only a matter of stabilizing inflation, but also of maintaining purchasing power and public welfare while preserving fiscal stability and economic growth.
Thanks for watching.